that was the 2-seater Crazy Taxi. Let me show you how I did it. It's very simple. We just got some hinges. Sorry, the light is kind of crappy right now. And then I put them on a piece of wood, and underneath that wood, I put casters. And it's perfect because when you go over a bump, or when you raise and lower the drift bar, the hinges actuate. Or when you go, it's just perfect, man. So there you go. That is a very quick way to have a fun 2-seater experience on a Crazy Cart.